Hello everybody, I am Adrian Cepeda Valdizon, candidate for Master Instructor CAM. In this occasion, I want to talk to you about BICERAP, but first we have to discuss about safety. The main priority of you as an instructor is to ensure the safety, starting with the adjustment of the bicycle. The correct position of a spinner bike is essential for the safety, comfort, and good performance of the student. It's very important that you as an instructor offer to adjust the bicycle for a new student in the class. You should never allow a student to configure another student bike. This is responsibility only for you as an instructor. This can be dangerous and all are your responsibility. When you have a new student, always ask this question before the BICERAP. Is this your first spinning class? Do you ride outside? Are there any issues? This is not about referring to any medical condition. Now, talking about of the fixes, gear, and weight in the flywheel. As an instructor, you have to demonstrate how to use the bike. All spinner bikes have a fixed pinion that does support an excessive inertial speed, and the resistance knot also works as a brake. The objective sensation of the road is established by a flywheel wheel, the external weight, ranging from 17 to 21 kilograms. You have to show your student how to use the resistance knot to create terrain and how to push down to engage the brake. The resistance knot is located under the handlebar. Make sure they understand that to increase the resistance, have to turn the resistance knot clockwise. Now, to decrease the resistance, they have to turn the knot the other way, meaning counterclockwise. To prevent the steering wheel from movement or braking in emergency, press down the resistance knob to stop the steering wheel. Now we will talk about the pot pin. You have to learn how to use the pot pin on the saddle head stand. Then lock the pot pin into place and put it to the security. Try to do it yourself to show them how, and then let them do it. Now, let's talk about the shoes and shoelace. The best shoe is the cycling shoe with a hard sole and correctly aligned leg, with anchor the ball of the foot of the pedal spinner. This is a cycling shoe. This is the correct position. But not everyone has this kind of shoe. Most of the students have athletic shoes. For this, explain then that the position of the ball of the foot on the pedal spinner. Also how to security the toe strap and how to top the shoelaces off of the way, whose make sure that an accident not occur. This is the correct. On business, the adjustment. The adjustment of the bicycle starts with the saddle and ends in the handlebars. Place the longitudinal adjustment of the saddle in a neutral position in the side distance forward and backward. Ask the student at the side of the saddle and to raise the inner leg 90 degrees. Level the back of the saddle with the upper part of the toe. Another method is to ask the student to place a finger on the knee joint on the hip and make the mask level. Now we'll get in on the bike. First, place the pedal on 12 o'clock. Then place your foot on the pedal and then rise up into the saddle with a both hand in the handlebar. This way you will make sure the student will not be hit with the pedal. Ask him or she to sit in the widest part of the saddle. Now we point to the heel control. Sit the student in the driving position on the widest part of the saddle with hand in the handlebar and the column in neutral position. Place the crank up and crank down or 12 and 6 o'clock and place the heel in the center of the bottom of the pedal, keeping the foot parallel on the ground. In this position, the knee should be full extent with hip level. Then place the metatarsal on top of your feet over the center of the pedal, and if the measurement is correct, he or she should produce a flexion of 25 to 35 degrees when the knees is at 6 o'clock. Now talk about of the saddle fore and aft. Sit in the saddle in the driving position with your hand on the handlebar and crank marking the 3 and 9 o'clock. The front foot mark the 3 o'clock and will be used for the vertical mark. The front part must be directly above the pedal axis. Imagine an imaginary line or you can use a plumb line from the front of the patella down. It's important to reshape saddle height for 25 to 35 degrees the knee flexion. The last step of the saddle bike is the handlebar height. The main goals of the handlebar is adjustment of a spinner bike is the comfort. Explain that it's very important that place the bar in a position that allows for natural extension of the arm, relaxation in the shoulder girdle, and comfort in the torso of optimal breathing. The position of the joint of the handlebar is approximately the same height at the seat or higher if you feel some discomfort in your back or arm prayer. With all this, we are ready to have a great class. As a personal recommendation, always check that the student have the water, a towel, toiletry is not, and 2 legs in. Thank you very much.